If you're working long hours, skipping meals, or relying on unhealthy takeout, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you 5 fast, smart weight loss meals designed for busy professionals. No complicated cooking, no boring food, and no wasted time. You think you don't have time? Rubbish. You just don't have a plan. I'm giving you the plan. 5 recipes, minimal effort, maximum flavor, and results you can actually see. No more soggy sandwiches or greasy pizza boxes cluttering your desk. We're going to get you lean, focused, and in control. Welcome to SlimSync, where healthy eating fits your work life, not the other way around. I'm David, and I get it. These meals are designed for speed and efficiency, using simple, fresh ingredients for dishes that are good for you and delicious. Grab a notepad, pay attention, and let's get cooking. First up, the lemon pepper chicken wrap bowl, a deconstructed protein-packed lunch you can make in 10 minutes. Use quality pre-cooked chicken breast strips or prep your own on Sunday. Chop and toss into a bowl. Add fresh lemon juice, black pepper, and sea salt for flavor. Slice romaine, lettuce, cherry tomatoes, and cucumber. Add for crunch and freshness. Take a low-carb tortilla, slice into strips, and toast until crispy. These are your croutons. For dressing, Greek yogurt, lemon, Dijon mustard, and dried dill. Whisk and pour over the bowl. Toss gently, top with crispy tortilla strips and a final crack of black pepper. This meal is high protein, low calorie, and keeps you full and focused all afternoon. Prep the night before. Just keep dressing and tortilla strips separate until ready to eat. No more excuses for unhealthy lunches. This is smart, satisfying fuel for your workday. Next up, breakfast that actually keeps you full. Breakfast, the meal most people get wrong. Let's fix that with avocado tuna crunch toast. Start with hearty whole grain or sourdough bread. Toast until golden and crisp. Use canned tuna in water, drained well. Mix with Greek yogurt, lemon juice, chopped red onion, and celery for crunch. Season with salt, pepper, and a pinch of red pepper flakes for a wake-up kick. Mash half a ripe avocado onto your hot toast. Keep it chunky. Season with salt and pepper. Pile on the tuna salad generously. Finish with a sprinkle of everything bagel seasoning for extra crunch and flavor. In under 5 minutes, you have a breakfast loaded with protein, healthy fats, and fiber. Make the tuna salad ahead. Just toast, mash, and assemble in the morning. No more skipping breakfast or grabbing sugary pastries. This is your morning power move. Fuel for a productive day. Let's keep the momentum going with a perfect portable lunch. Time for the ultimate portable lunch, the Asian-inspired sesame egg jar. Start with dressing at the bottom. Soy sauce, rice vinegar, sesame oil, ginger, and garlic. Layer in shredded carrots, sliced bell peppers, and edamame beans. These veggies stay crisp. Add a layer of cooked quinoa for substance and protein. Top with jammy, soft-boiled eggs. Boil for 7 minutes. Cool, peel, and halve. Finish with fresh greens like spinach or spring mix, packed to the top. Seal the jar. When ready to eat, tip into a bowl and let the dressing coat everything. You get a balanced meal: protein, healthy fats, complex carbs, and vitamins. Prep several jars on Sunday for grab-and-go lunches all week. No more sad, soggy lunches or expensive takeout. Now, let's make dinner faster than delivery. Dinner, after a long day. Skip the takeout. Make the 5-minute garlic shrimp veggie skillet. Heat a non-stick skillet. Pat raw shrimp dry. Season with salt, pepper, and smoked paprika. Add a touch of oil, then fresh garlic. Sauté for 30 seconds. Add shrimp in a single layer. Sear for 90 seconds. Then flip. Toss in pre-chopped veggies, broccoli, snap peas, carrots. Squeeze in fresh lemon juice to deglaze and brighten. Cook another 2 minutes, tossing until shrimp are pink and veggies are crisp tender. Plate immediately. Vibrant, high protein, low calorie, and satisfying. No more late night snacking or delivery apps. This is how you build healthy habits, one fast meal at a time. 5 minutes, real food, real results. Ready for a smart snack? Let's go. 13. 3 p.m. The danger zone for snacking. Beat it with the protein yogurt berry power cup. Start with thick Greek yogurt. Plain, not sugary. Whisk in a scoop of protein powder for extra satiety and flavor. Layer with mixed berries, fresh or frozen, for fiber and antioxidants. Alternate layers of yogurt and berries in a glass or cup. Top with a tablespoon of chopped nuts, chia, or flax seeds for crunch and healthy fats. This snack is high protein, high fiber, and keeps you energized and focused. Prep ahead. Keep the crunchy toppings separate until ready to eat. No more vending machine runs or sugar crashes. This is your afternoon power-up, post-workout snack, or healthy dessert. 5 recipes, no excuses. Let's wrap this up. 5 fast, smart, delicious meals. Lemon pepper chicken bowl, avocado tuna toast, sesame egg jar, garlic shrimp skillet, and protein yogurt cup. Low calorie, high protein, and quick. Perfect for busy professionals. You don't need hours in the kitchen, just a plan, and these recipes. Stop saying you're too busy. You're not. You're prepared now. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more SlimSync recipes. Now stop watching. Start cooking. Let's go.